Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make Mexican street corn at home in the oven. So let's get started. This is super simple. We're just going to prepare the corn. So here we have the corn on the cob with the husk, and just take off all the leaves, snip off that part. There you go, just like that. Now I want to take off all these little hair fibers, whatever they are, off the corn. All right, so I'm just gonna melt 1 tablespoon of butter so that I can coat the corn before I put it in the oven. I already preset my oven to 400, so it's almost ready. And yeah, we're gonna put it in the oven for about an hour at 400. Now, I remember my childhood, whenever we would have a fire pit outside in the backyard, we would always roast the corns directly on the fire, and that is the best way to have them, in my opinion. But I don't have a fire pit right now, and my grill is not working, so we are going to do it in the oven. Gonna wrap it in the foil, like that. I'll do this one on the other side. Just like that. Okay, and our oven is ready, so we're gonna go ahead and put her in. And we're gonna put a timer for 1 hour. If I can find my phone. Okay guys, so let it sit for about an hour. And so it's pretty easy to work with now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the foil. And there's several different things you can do concerning like the toppings and stuff. Ooh, it smells so good, look at that. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, it's still nice and warm, but it's not too hot, so that's good. Okay, so the typical things that you can put on top is mayonnaise, sour cream, and I already put some butter, but if you want to put more butter, that's totally fine. I'm going to do a little bit of both, and then for the cheese, usually you do cojita cheese, but I didn't have any right now, so I'm just gonna do regular Parmesan cheese. And then for spices, if you want it spicy, you can always do the typical Tajín, you know, it makes everything taste better. Or you could do paprika, cayenne, chili powder, or a mixture of all of these, and it'll turn out real nice. And you can add salt as well. And you wanna make sure you get everything. Alright, let's get some cheese. Just pour some lemon on there. My mouth is so watery right now. Alright. Yay, that looks so good. Okay. Now for the second one, I'm gonna add some chili powder. Some cayenne. And some sour cream. All right guys, so here we have our finished corn, so let's go ahead and give it a taste. Wow. Well done.
Which one is that?
This was the first one we did with the Tajín and the Valentina. Really good. All right. Let's try this one. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's really good too. That one's more spicy because of all the spices that we made. Eating this always gets super messy. I have stuff all over my face, huh?
Barely. So which one do you prefer?
The first one is more tangy because of the Tajín. So if you like more tangy taste to it, I'll say the first one. The second one has more heat to it, so more spice because of the cayenne and the chili powder and the paprika. So it depends what you're looking for, but they're both really good. I prefer the tanginess over the spicy, so I like the first one. Also, Salsa Valentina is like my favorite. But yeah.
Mustache test?
Mustache test? All right, my husband is gonna try a mustache test to see if it passes the test. All right. Oh my gosh, I think it did pass it. Okay, yeah, try the second one. Spicy, right?
This one's definitely better.
The first one? Yeah. So the mustache test is whenever you eat corn on the cob and you get all of the sauces and cheese on your mustache. So, yeah. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, which one you would try and which one you think is better. I'll see you in my next one.